See the curtains hanging in the window in the evening on a Friday night. Little light is shining through the window, lets me know everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. See the paper laying on the sidewalk, a little music from the house next door. So I walked on up to the doorstep, through the screen and across the floor. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Sweet days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune. And I come home from a hard day's work, and you're waiting there, not a care in the world. See the smile waiting in the kitchen, food cooking on the plates for two. Feel the arms that reach out to hold me in the evening when the day is through. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
Truckin', got my chips cashed in, keep truckin' like the Doodah Man. Together, more or less in line, just keep truckin' on.
Arrows of neon and flashing marquees out on Main Street. Chicago, New York, Detroit, and it's all the same street. A typical city involved in a typical daydream. Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings.
Dallas got his own machine. Houston goes to New Orleans. New York got the ways and means and just won't let you be.
What in the world ever became of Sweet Jane? She lost her spot, though you know she couldn't have sing. Living on Reds, vitamin C, and cocaine. All a friend can say is ain't it a shame?
Looking up the Buffalo, in thinking you got to mellow slow. It takes time to pick a place to go and just keep trucking on.
You're sick of hanging around and you like to travel. You're tired of traveling, you want to settle down. I guess I can't remember
whoa, baby, back where I belong. Back home, sit down and patch my bones and get back trucking. Oh, oh, oh.
What in the world ever became of Sweet Jane? She lost her spot, though you know she couldn't the same. Living on Reds, vitamin C and cocaine. All a friend can say is ain't it a shame?
Truckin' up the buffalo, get picking. You got to mellow slow. Takes time to pick a place to go. And just keep trucking on home.
You're sick of hanging around and you like to travel. You're tired of traveling, you want to settle down. I guess I can't revoke this all the time. Get out of the door, light out and look all around.
Sometimes the light's all shining on me. Other times I can barely see. Lately it occurs to me. What a long, strange trip it's been. Trucking, I'm going home. Whoa, whoa, baby, back where I belong. Back home, sit down and patch my bones and get back trucking. Oh, 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 oh.
What in the world ever became of Sweet Jane? She lost her spot, though you know she couldn't the same. Living on Reds, vitamin C and cocaine. All a friend can say is ain't it a shame?
Truckin' up the buffalo, get picking. You got to mellow slow. Takes time to pick a place to go and just keep trucking on home.
You're sick of hanging around and you like to travel. You're tired of traveling, you want to settle down. I guess I can't revoke this all the time. Get out of the door, light out and look all around.
Sometimes the light's all shining on